But I'm here inspired, Chief. You know, it's the first time seeing a keyless Lamborghini.
Yo, brother, it has fingerprints. It starts with a fingerprint.
Right, yo, I'm inspired. Me, hey, how to get you kumete la po fast? How to get you kumete je fast?
Hey, kumete.
How kumete boy?
Hey,
Mafethu
kumete.
andile.
Ay, kumete. Nanti Lambo. Ngekile Lambo.
Mafethu, why you guys adding me on this live? Man, I'm enjoying being the audience, bro.
Ay, kumete ngeke. Kumete awufaka ngazi la. Bicela ufaka uTumelo. Usithole.
Usithole.
Awufake noSithole. Ubonile 200 million.
Hey, Joe, ubonile skidera yami. Hey, kubi bafethu, yo. Hey, Tuza.
Electronic team. Makela.
Atawakimola hati mo braya ko tsalai. This is real life, bro.
Awufaka uMathini.
Think fake. Yo bathi fast.
Bro, ngisenga kola so furume la.
Frum bana kawala hazela frum bra. Hey. Mfana kitikela live katinela kitiplela le batho ba ka ka joinisa Jax ra ipolelela mothanya go joina go re butsa ka Lamborghini be ao hanya go re bontsha di key ya me bra.
Mutula wa yaka Jaguar.
Jayami. Uthi une this is why SA traders stay broke. Hey, bro, it's crazy. 200 million.
I mean, Marco, Jax, Marco thinks we are attacking him. What we are saying, we understand and we are inspired, Chief. You are just the topic of the time because you are having 289 million plus you have a keyless Lamborghini.
Yo, that's keyless Lamborghini is too much.
Gela hile agents like gela hile. Zakatola so.
Mamela, tumelo. Nagi gidibatela 200 tower fail.
I was.
Nagi gidibatela 200 tower fail.
The Versace gown was 130,000. We are inspired.
Hey, my
Dr. Martin to verify. Is it 230,000?
Gents, you guys good?
We good.
We good, my bro.
Come on, boy.
It's mnandi. Dog, me, I just wanna know, ne? That's not bank balance. That's on net worth, ne? Right now, if I go to my banking app, ne, on my net worth, bro, I have so much money, dog, on my net worth. I'm not gonna lie, ne? But that's money I've never touched, mfana. Like, it's money I don't have right now. You understand? So it's essentially useless to show us 200 and something million that's on your net worth because that's not money that's in your bank account, bro.
Cash is king.
Bro,
Nah,
like
but
also what is this 200 million on? Like, what are these assets, dog? Like, do you know, Jens, do you know 200 million, guys? Like, guys, do you understand 200 million? I've traded for 7 years. I haven't touched 200 million, dog.
Macro is only traded for 4 years, Chief. And he's already touched 200 million.
But like, what is this 200 million? Like, what is it, bro? Like, what is this 200 million net worth, dog? Like, what is on the 200 million?
Dr. Martin, you must be inspired.
What did he buy, dog? Like, what is, like, I wanted to ask him, it's okay. What did you buy, bro? Like, what is it? Like, what is this 200 million on, dog?
He owns a garage.
Because he what?
He owns a garage at Lamborghini. They even gave him a keyless one.
But like, if you've got 200 million, bro, like, what is this? Like, what did you buy, bro? Like, I'm so confused and fun.
Why are you in South Africa?
Okay, please add him, bro.
Yeah,
please add him because I personally have questions for him, dog, that I need to understand. Please add him, bro. Me, I'm not fighting. I just want to understand. Add him.
Okay, Marco, you are back, Chief. I'm adding you back. I'm adding you back. We still want to be inspired.
Goat, guys. Marco is a goat. Me, I tell you.
We still want to be inspired. I can't see him now. Why can't I see? Marco, request there, Chief. I can't get you here.
Bro, because me, I wanna understand, bro. Hey,
But
I wanna
ask for a job. Marco must employ me as this thing needs, guys, these job opportunities. There is job. We are speaking with a person that is worth.
Marco, can you request, Chief? I think he's out of the live. I can't see him no more.
It's Joash Naidoo. Please add Naidoo. He needs to ask questions as well. Let me leave.
Bro, like Ed Marco, me, I personally have questions, bro. Like, cause maybe there's some things I don't understand, and obviously,
bro,
you know what you must do, Andy. Click on his comments and say add, bro. Click on his comments and say add.
Unfortunately, you can't do that anymore. It says report comment, remove from live, block Marco, pin comment, add as a moderator or follow. Cause I don't follow him.
He must
request.
The operandi.
Let me try. Hey, this live is something else, guys. You know, when I started this live, I was just talking to my people, and then it turned out to something else.
No, but it's good, bro. I think it's good to have such lives, just so like we can get to understand, like certain things, and
Martin, boy, Marco is no longer on this live, bro. I can't get him.
He probably left again.
No, he didn't. He ran away. There's a difference.
No, bro. What Marco? But me, I'm proud of Marco, bro. 200 million, bro.
Now, Martin, dog. Remember the conversation we had? Yo, bro, it was crazy, dog. Yo, now it made me think. I wanna be like Marco. Marco, bro, that nigga has a net worth of 200 million. He owns a keyless Lamborghini.
He corrected us. 208. Mina gikupela 80 million nje. 80. Aganka 200.
Dog, do you know? Wait, bro. Like, dog. If we're being honest, if you've got a net worth of 280 million in this country, you're regarded as a top whatever of rich people in South Africa. That's fact. You understand? Like, dog. I think it's in the top. Maybe you qualify to be in the top 100 richest people in South Africa.
100%.
And that means if we Google the name of Marco, like if we say Marco the entrepreneur, then obviously we need to see his net worth on Google, get a few article covers on him and what he really does.
I'm sorry to disturb Martin, and also that can be found because it's in his account, not like it's just like he's owning taxis where money there's no record.
There
is record.
Yeah. I mean with net worth, on the net worth they say they calculate what you have, right? So they calculate your assets to assume that you've got a net worth of 280 million, right? And that's obviously like proper work. If you've accumulated 280 million in assets, you've worked hard. So I need to understand, like, what are these assets, bro? Like, what are these assets? Like, where's the 280 million? Like what did he buy? What does he own? Like, what is it? Like, it's 280 million on what? You understand? Because that's not liquid. That's not liquid cash. That's not money he has in the account. I mean, I saw he owes 2,000 rands in his bank account. I think the last time I saw the account, it was minus 20,000. That's like advance, but the net worth is on 200 million. So I don't understand, like, what is this 280 million on? Because I mean, also it doesn't make sense to be, to have 280 million in your account and then there's like 2,000 that is like an overdraft and whatnot. Like, I need to understand those things.
Yeah, I need to educate.
Yeah, so that's why I'm saying, like, let's add him back, so that we get to understand, like, what is this? Because also, bro, like, we could be fighting someone and the next thing someone is sitting on real assets, maybe he owns Pick and Pay or something. We don't know. So, like, we need to understand,
Hey guys, Chief, you guys stop. Hey,
he says it's investments. There he is. He says it's investments.
Oh, it's investments. Okay. What type? Is it like your construction companies, or is it like shareholding? Is
no,
it
construction companies cannot be investments. So I need to. That's what I'm saying. I need to understand, because I mean, some of us are pretty like enlightened on like investments and stuff. So I need to understand like what are these investments, you know?
Yeah.
And I can also tell you, bro, like, you know, like I do have like a fairly high net worth, bro. You see, if you go to the FNB app name and you go to the net worth section, you'll see how much you are worth. But like in reality, are those things like, you know, there or what, you know? Because I mean, I need to understand that, you know. I'm not fighting anyone. I just need to understand.
I understand what you're saying. I understand. Hey, but bruh, yo, that's dope, bruh. Having 200%, that means you can qualify for any loan. You can even qualify for 100 million loan. You can qualify for it with that assets, with those number of assets. Like, I mean, there's something called leverage. That means your leverage is above 100 million, 100%. It's above.
Yeah,
100.
no, that means, yeah,
Marco is rich.
you. Some people get to that level, like some people die before getting to that level. Even when they own Lamborghinis, they still die without getting to that position. You know, so I understand, bro. Hey, man, hey, yeah, no,
Inspired in
a
this,
lot of money.
guys like Marco, we should be really inspired. We should really.
Nah, Marco, bro, if you get time, share some insights on what we should invest on, so that also us we can be worth 200 million. I mean, we are traders. We have the same cash flow that, you know, can put us there. Don't plug us, Chief. We want to be rich like you.
Even Naidoo wants to get to that level. Even
look at Joash. Joash wants to get there too.
Even Joash is tired. He wants to get to that level. Even Joash wants to get to that level.
Hey, Joash, that's what I'm saying. He must give us insights. You see?
At Joash, man. At Joash for a few minutes, and then I go. I wanna greet the brother, the big brother.
Hey, Martin, boy. Hey, Ganyi, what I am.
Hey, boy, it's bad, bro. Hey, it's bad.
Gents, how's it, guys?
Yes, sir.
Can we see the car? Can we see the car?
See the car, the keys.
See the car.
Oh no, I'm driving a Toyota today. I'm undercover.
Oh, I see.
You see, people with real life proof.
Guys, I'm undercover, but anyway, hey, I want to get to 200 million as well, man. Hey, I'm shocked. Hey, I'm mind blown.
Hey, you're not the only
Mr.
one.
Naidoo, how's it, my brother?
Hey, Dr. Martin, how's it, brother?
I'm good, bro. It's been a minute. You good?
Yeah, no, I'm good. You know what? I just jumped onto this live because I saw all of y'all jumping on. Hey, but this thing got me glued, man.
Talking about the 289 million net worth.
Yeah, because, you know, like, hey, I don't know of any other trader in South Africa who's on that level. So whenever I see people on another level, I always like to know, how did you get there? What did you do, the steps? Because if you got there, that means you've got something that we don't have. So teach us.
Yeah, that's what,
you know?
I'm saying, bro.
Yes.
That's what I'm like, please give us tips. He must just give us tips. Oh, look, this is what you do, this is what you do. And then we do it. We get to 200 million too.
Yeah.
Because he jumped on this live. He said he has a Urus. We said he must show us the keys. He's like, no. He shows us. Hey, you know what? Let me keep quiet, because me, I'm inspired by Mark. I don't want him to say I'm hating. Hey.
Guys, I'll be honest to you. Like, I'm nowhere close to that level of 200 million. Not even 10% of that. You know, and I'm trading hard. You know, and so you know, when I see traders like that, somebody who says they've got 200 million, all I want to know is, how did you get there? Because I want to know as well. You know, I want to get there as well.
Yeah.
If I get 200 million, guys, you won't see me again. I'll retire.
Exactly, bro.
I don't need
But
to
also,
trade anymore.
Joash, can I please add something? You know, I
go.
came down to Durban, bro. You know, I was with you. I saw your car, bro. I mean, you invited me to your house. We had dinner there by your house. You know, and like, it's those things that really like inspire someone, especially for someone that knows you from when you started trading, you know, like, I mean, we were trading back in the day together, and I'm proud, bro. I'm happy that you're actually pushing and that you're at the level you're at, bro. And like, I've seen the things, bro. I've seen everything you've had. I've seen your M4, I've seen the R8, I've seen now the McLaren. You know, even with the house when I was there, bro, you were showing me even before you posted that you got the new house. Like, those are things that really inspire me, bro. You know, and now, like, if you're gonna come and say you have these things and yet we don't see them, then that's when the problem starts, bro. Because I mean, why are you not showing me if you're trying to inspire me? You know, like, I know Joash has this, because I've seen it. But if it's just things that you're mentioning and we can't see it, like, what do we then say about that?
You know what's even crazy, Martin? What's crazy was, as he jumped on this live, bro, we were like, are we just talking? He just said, bro, do you guys know I have a Lamborghini? How? I'm now asking, is it a Hurricane or it's an SVJ? He's like, no, it's a Urus. We're like, okay, please show us, right? He's like, no, he doesn't want to show us that. He's going to show us his 289 million net worth. We are like, okay, if you are managed to prove something that extreme, which is a bank net worth, bro, what's simple about just showing the keys? I went downstairs to show the GTI I booked here because I'm in Cape Town, just to show you how simple it is. He's like, no, a point for what? I'm like, okay, I'm inspired though. But Marco, can you go extremely to showing a bank account and fail to just show the key, bro? Because Joash, look here, brother. Do you know that I can tell you right now that I have a Lamborghini SVJ, and I will tell you, just trust me. A mouth can buy anything, bro. With the mouth, you can buy anything you want. I can tell you I have a 500 million thousand a house right now with my mouth, but proving it, no way.
Yeah, guys, you know, I just jumped on here because I want to know if you're at that level, if you're operating at that level. Hey, honestly, if I operate at that level of 200 million, I won't come out of my house. I'm too scared I'll get kidnapped.
Bro,
hey, bro, it's a lot of.
That's what I've been inspired.
That is a shitload of money, guys. 200 million is a lot of money.
It's
someone on the live is saying Marco and Q Banks are same mindset. Why proving to people? There's also a difference. Like, guys, you guys
can't compare Marco
he's
to Q
not
Banks.
trying, wait, but like, I want to explain something, ne? Andy Lehi, I was listening to him when he was speaking. He said, if I go downstairs to show you my Lambo, that's too much admin, right? Or to show you the kids is too much admin. But do you know where the real admin was? Real admin was when he went to his banking app and opened his banking app using his bank and log in to try and show us his assets, his net worth, and whatever. That's
Marco
much
request
more
there. Marco request there. Hey,
let me leave so that you can add Marco. Peace out.
No, guys, I'm gonna go now because I'm jumping into a meeting. So I just came up here because you said 200 million, so I got a shock. But anyway, guys, I keep on watching, but I can't be here any longer.
All right,
thank you so much,
brother.
Stay safe, guys. All the best. Thank you.
Hey, Martin,
hey. Okay, can you add Marco, bro? So I can
But now one
ask
200 man.
Yeah, Marco, please request, brother. Please request, bro. I've been waiting for you to request. Like, I've been, bro. Because I can't find him anymore. He's not here. When I click and say add him, it adds him as a moderator, not as a person who's joined. Or should I just say add as a moderator?
I don't think that's the option for me. You should say invite to live. But like, I can't.
Okay, let me just go search him straight. Marco. Oh, there it is. Invite. Marco.